Hey beauties, if you're tired of dry, chapped lips and want a gorgeously smooth pout, you're going to love today's DIY. I'm showing you how to make a super hydrating lip scrub right at home using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Trust me, this is quick, easy, and your lips will thank you. So the secret to soft lips? Exfoliation and hydration. Let me show you how I do it. First, let's grab our ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is what keeps your lips ultra moisturized. Next, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for gentle exfoliation. Add half a tablespoon of honey. It's super soothing and helps lock in moisture. And finally, if you want a little extra glow, a drop or 2 of pure vanilla extract. That's literally it. In a small bowl, combine your coconut oil and honey first. Mix them together until it's nice and smooth. Then add your brown sugar. Stir gently, don't overmix or the sugar will dissolve too much. You want it grainy so it can exfoliate. Last, add your vanilla for that yummy scent. Give it a quick mix and you're done. Now let's get scrubbing. With clean hands, take a little bit of your homemade scrub and gently massage it onto your lips in a circular motion. Don't be shy. Get the edges too. This helps slough off dry skin and boosts circulation for plumper-looking lips. I usually do this for about a minute. After you're done, wipe off with a damp washcloth or just rinse with warm water. Pat your lips dry and top with your favorite lip balm. Instantly, you'll notice your lips are softer, smoother, and way more kissable. You can use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Just don't overdo it, or your lips might get a little sensitive. And if you have any left over, pop it in a tiny jar and keep it in the fridge for up to a week. Cute, right? Why buy expensive lip scrubs when you can whip up your own in minutes? Plus, you know exactly what's going on your skin. No weird chemicals or mystery fragrances. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you want more easy beauty DIYs, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. All right, beauties, keep those lips luscious and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.